Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine guys. Today I am going to see you the pond and there are many fishes in the pond and there are many birds come and they are the pond. So guys, I reach the pond and you can see the pond and the water is flowing in the pond and you can see the pond and there is a tree in the pond and there are many birds come at the edge of the pond, but in this time there is no bird and you can see the view of the village and there are many trees and there are house and you can see there is a factory. In the factory the brickwork is progress. So guys, please like, subscribe and share my video. In my video I see you village lifestyle, nature, and in my video you can learn English. So guys, like, subscribe and share my video. So please guys, like, subscribe and share my video.